Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make physics summary notes. Begin by collecting all your resources, including textbooks, class notes, and problem sets. Next, identify the main ideas and essential formulas for each chapter or unit. This initial step ensures you have a comprehensive foundation before you start condensing information. Focus on understanding the fundamental principles first. When structuring your notes, employ clear headings and subheadings to create a logical flow. Visual aids are incredibly helpful. Include diagrams, graphs, and even small example problems to clarify complex ideas. Consider using different colors or symbols to highlight key equations or definitions. Aim for a visually appealing layout that makes information easy to digest and recall during study sessions. To truly master the material, actively engage with your notes. Try summarizing complex concepts in your own words without looking at the original text. This process reveals gaps in your understanding. Regularly test yourself with practice questions and past exam papers to reinforce learning. Spaced repetition, reviewing notes over increasing intervals, significantly boosts long-term memory retention. Finally, make sure to consolidate all your information into one concise document. Your summary notes should be a living document, evolving as your understanding deepens. Regularly review and update them, adding new insights or clarifying any confusing points. This iterative process ensures your notes remain a powerful and accurate study tool, ready for any assessment.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.